Hello everybody, I am in the shop here today and I am going to paint a cabinet door using a Graco cordless sprayer, and I will show you here in just a second what I got going. First of all, I'm going to use this Graco dual speed corded sprayer. I haven't used this particular one before, but we will see how it works. I am going to be painting this cabinet door kind of a medium blue. It's already been primed. I'm just going to lightly sand it, and then I will bring it out and start painting it. This just needs a real light sanding because it's already quite smooth. I'm using 220 grit sandpaper. The reason it may seem a little bit coarse, but I'm going to be using some enamel, basically interior house paint. So it's pretty thick, and I don't think there'll be a problem covering up the scratches on it. Okay, I will bring it outside so I don't get paint marks all over everything. I'm going to prop something up in the middle of it there too so it doesn't get any paint on the side of it. Probably see if I can find a paint can or something. I mixed the paint up thoroughly and I poured it into the funnel, into the container. And what I'm using today is this Sherwin-Williams Emerald paint that is paint matched to the cabinet door. Okay, I'm outside, filled the paint up. Looks like the paint's coming out okay, so I am going to give it a shot. Oh, first of all, I need to put something underneath that, like I said. Okay, here we go. Let's give this a try. Wow, that works great. That is way better than I thought. I assume that orange peel will flatten out a little bit. If it doesn't, I'll put the next coat on way more heavier than that. We'll let it dry for a while. It is still just a little bit tacky. I'll give it a little more time. It looks like the second coat, I'm going to have to probably load it up pretty good to get it nice and flat. The good thing is it's on a flat surface, so there'll be less chance of running. Sorry about all the airplanes flying up here. Okay, it's been a few more minutes. It looks like we're ready to load this up a little bit. I'll just hit the perimeter first. I think I kind of missed the video there. Like I say, I'm getting this a little bit thicker than I did before, because I want it to flow out nice and smooth. Okay, here we go. Little clumsy here. Well, we'll see how that turns out. While that dries, I'm going to go ahead and clean the gun out, because even if it doesn't turn out very good and I have to resand it, I still have to clean the gun out. First of all, I'm just going to clean the exterior up really good, and then I'll run some fresh water through it. Okay, for the most part, I got this cleaned out. What I'm doing now is just rinsing it. I'm putting it in prime mode. If that knocks down, the prime can just recirculate the paint inside of it into that bag. I'll just keep rinsing it until it comes out clear. Cleaning this thing is a breeze compared to a normal airless sprayer. The normal airless sprayer takes me probably an hour to get it all clean. This one doesn't take long at all. I'm very impressed. I may have to sand this door out. I may have to sand this door out and add water to the paint to smooth it out a little bit, because it's a little orange peely. So I was going to show you how to install this tomorrow, but I might have to wait a few days for this to harden up. Okay, so I'm done here. I'm gonna have to probably resand this, like I said, and I'm done with the cleaning of the gun, and I'm gonna have to put part 2 on what happens next. I'll see when it really dries how bad it looks or good it looks. I am impressed with the gun. I think it's just a matter of getting the right viscosity. Thank you. Subscribe.